this is for Lisa, and welcome back to Homebody. So I hope you guys are having an awesome new year. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys what I've done to our living room for the winter season. I just shot my home for this decor season, you guys. I didn't purchase anything. At the end of the video, I'll share with you guys where everything came from that's in my living room. If you're interested in seeing what I've done to our living room for the winter season, just keep watching. Okay, so I'm going to just share with you guys where everything came from. So my entryway table itself came from Rooms to Go. I purchased it last year. The items on the bottom of the shelf, the picture frames, actually came from Z Gallery. The candle holders in the back came from Home Goods. The vases that you see on the side came from Z Gallery, as well as the peonies. The candle holders came from Home Goods, as well as the tray. Now the wall art came from Kirkland's, and the sconces came from Overstock or either Wayfair. Now, I did not purchase anything for this video. I just shot my home. This year I'm going to try to not spend as much money on the hauls. I'm just going to use the decor pieces that I already have, unless it's just I see something that's a wow factor. Now I do have a lantern sitting here in the corner that came from Home Goods, and I have some disco balls in there. I just want to have those balls in there to get that glam effect more popping. So moving on over to this side, the side table here came from At Home. This candle came from Home Goods. My lamps came from At Home. Now these curtains actually came from TJ Maxx online. I purchased them last year for winter, and I used these same curtains last year for the winter season. So I just took the lighter ones down and put the darker ones up. I'll put the lighter ones back up for the springtime just so I can have some changing things to change around. I just like to change things around, you guys. And you could do that. You can buy yourself a shade of light curtains and dark curtains and switch them out for the seasons. So I purchased the sequence pillow from Pier 1, and the other pillows on my couch actually came from Home Goods. Now, you guys, I'm in the market for new furniture for my living room, so I'll be making that purchase sometime this year. I'll probably either get a love seat and a chair, or just a couch and an accent chair, because this room is pretty small. And I don't want to crowd it out as I usually do, because you guys know I am a Team Too Much member. And I'm proud to say I am. So anyway, so my coffee table is a DIY, and this bottom piece here came from Home Goods. This came from Pier 1, and this came from Home Goods. My coffee table books came from Home Goods, except for this one came from Z Gallery. I didn't like the cover of this book, so I trashed the cover, but I like the book itself, the black and white book. This is an ornament from Christmas. This came in a set of 12 from Tuesday Morning, and this came from At Home. Now, I pulled this rug that you see on the floor out of my guest room, and I took the one, that light teal one, and put it in my guest room, because I still have, like, it's like an aqua green looking color, because that's what color I have going on in my guest room. Now, this piece here, the floral arrangements, actually everything here, the floral arrangement, the vase, and my mirror actually came from Z Gallery. I purchased these last year when they were on clearance. I think I paid $1 for each bush, and I think it may be 4 bushes in there. The mirrored box that you see under here came from Home Goods, and these pieces that you see over here, the frame, the tray, and the balls, actually came from At Home. My hourglass came from Home Goods, and again, my lamps came from Home Goods. This wall art here came from Home Goods. You probably seeing a hook here in the wall. This hook, I put it here because I had my wreath here for Christmas, just in case someone wants to know what's that on the wall. This is actually one of those monkey hooks, you guys. And my pendant light here came from Pier 1, and I love, love, love that pendant light, you guys. This Glam wall art in the middle came from Ross, and the other one that you see at the top came from Home Goods. Okay, you guys, so let me know what you guys think if you're loving my living room tour for the 2019 winter season. And this is the end of this video. I'm going to be doing a tablescape this week, and probably updating my master bedroom for the winter. And maybe I'll throw in my master bathroom. Oh, you know what? I have not done my guest bathroom since I first started my YouTube channel. I may do a video in there as well, but I have a lot of videos coming up. I would love to start doing DIYs, but I like doing DIYs, but I just don't have the time to do them, you guys. But if I do have the time, I will be doing some DIYs and sharing them with you guys, giving you some ideas. But anyway, this is the end of this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.